During orthotic boot fittings, the process of grinding away crepe soling material can be necessary to achieve optimal patient gaits. Ortho America Products has the solution to this messy and time-consuming process. Introducing the Claw. Claw footplate technology consists of a composite, dynamic rocker footplate attached to a triplanar adjustment mechanism, making it possible to adjust alignment in all three planes, quickly, easily, while in the fitting room. Featuring 6 degrees of range anterior-posterior, 6 degrees of range medial-lateral, and unlimited line of progression adjustment to achieve optimal orthotic fit and increase patient function, achieving more normal and fluid gait, encouraging walking activities, and minimizing gait deviations. Your orthotic boot with claw technology will arrive in a neutral position. If the patient is to be treated unilaterally, it is often helpful to place a height-matching lift on the contralateral side. Don the boot onto the patient and have them ambulate. Make a note of their gait, line of progression, leg positioning anterior-posterior, leg positioning medial-lateral, and ask for the patient's feedback regarding comfort and stability. Considering these factors, decide upon the adjustments needed to bring the footplate into better alignment with the patient's needs. Using the disc settings table provided, choose the anterior-posterior correction desired and choose the medial-lateral correction desired. In the table, the combination of disc settings will appear in the corresponding cell. The setting in the top of the cell corresponds to the setting needed for the top disc, and in the bottom of the cell, you'll find the setting for the bottom disc. Remove the boot from the patient and invert the boot, setting it on a surface. Loosen the main bolt approximately 3 to 4 rotations. Both the discs and the footplate should spin freely. Do not attempt to remove this bolt. Laying the boot on its medial side, rotate the top disc to the top setting and the bottom disc to the bottom setting, aligning them under the square notch in the plate mounted directly to the bottom of the boot as shown. While taking care not to allow the discs to rotate, carefully invert the boot once again, holding it steady. Carefully align the footplate itself to the line of progression desired. Now, slowly tighten the main bolt while holding the boot securely, not the footplate. When the bolt is slightly tightened, turn the boot upright again and verify the discs haven't moved from their desired settings. If they are still in the correct setting, tighten the bolt down all the way. If either of the discs accidentally rotated during tightening, then loosen the bolt and repeat the process. After the bolt is completely tightened, re-verify the discs and line of progression is at the desired setting. Don the boot onto the patient once again. Observe their gait once again, and if necessary, make further adjustments.